Hello children, let's learn email writing today. Email is a method of exchanging messages or mails between people using electronic devices. Emails have brought about a revolution in the field of communication. Email stands for electronic mail, and it is the most preferred means of communication as it is faster and cheaper. We can categorize email into two types, formal and informal. Formal emails can be written to companies, government departments, school principals, etc. Whereas informal emails can be written to family members, relatives, friends. Children, now let's learn how to compose an email. When you write an email, you need to follow certain format. And to start with, you will begin writing the date. And when you write date, you need to follow a particular pattern. For example, today is 24 June 2020. You need to follow this particular pattern. Don't write date like this, which is an informal way of writing. Now, after writing the date, leave a line and write from. As this is an email, you will be writing sender's email ID. Children, be careful, sender's email ID. For example, abc@gmail.com, and leave a line, write to. Same way, for to, you will be writing the receiver's email ID, the one person who receives the email. For example, 123@gmail.com. And after writing the sender's email ID and receiver's email ID, it is time for you to write subject line. And when you write subject line, you have to be very careful because it should be brief. Make sure that a clue to the content of the body of the email is there in the subject line. Then, after writing it, leave a line, write salutation. It can be a formal salutation or informal salutation. Formal salutation like respected sir, ma'am, etc. And informal salutations like hi, hello, etc. And once you finish writing salutation, leave a line and you can start with the body of the email. And as you write, as you express your ideas, you can use several paragraphs. Basically, you can divide it into introduction, exposition, and conclusion. 3 paragraphs. In the introductory passage or introductory paragraph, you can just start with a pleasant greeting and just give a hint about what you are going to write. And when it comes to the second paragraph, you have to be more elaborative. You need to express, you need to explain what you are trying to convey. And in the concluding paragraph, that you can use a sentence or two, and you can just wind up by expressing your gratitude or your hope or any help that you want to offer. That depends on the type of email that you write. And once all the 3 paragraphs are written, you can leave a line and write regards. Usually in letters, you will be using complimentary clause like yours faithfully, yours sincerely. No need of using that when it comes to email. Write regards. Leave a line and write your name. You can write either your name or put your initial. That is it. This is how we have to write a format. This is how we have to write an email.